Welcome, puzzle explorers! Are you ready for a desert construction adventure today?
Vroom! Look at our hard-working digger buddies clearing the rocky ground.
Here comes the mighty dump truck. Can you count the 3 vehicles with me? 1, 2, 3.
He's tipping his bed to dump the load. That is some serious heavy lifting, wow!
Now our gray excavator friend needs some energy. Which color canister should we pick?
I bet he wants the blue one! Wait, no, maybe he prefers the red one? Let's try!
The red fuel is a perfect match. Ooh la la! Clink, clank! He's feeling energized now.
Look, magic! Adding the green canister makes him change colors. How cool is that?
Great job, helping the gray dump truck find his yellow fuel. You are a puzzle master. We did it! All our vehicle friends are assembled and ready to roll. High five, everyone! Hey there, puzzle explorers! Look up at the sky. We have some mystery silhouettes to solve today.
Is that a giant flying banana? No, wait, it's a tractor. Zoom, zoom.
Haha, not quite. That's our hard-working tractor. Let's find its yellow shovel so it can get to work. Click! That cabin fits perfectly on our mighty dump truck. Great job, team!
I found the wheels. They go on the truck, right? Or maybe on my feet.
Pop those wheels on tight! The mighty truck is almost ready to roll out. Almost there. Can you point to the last cabin piece? 3, 2, 1, snap! Vroom, vroom! All vehicles are fully assembled and looking shiny and new.
They look amazing. I wish my car could transform like that too.
Look at all that confetti! You did it, Puzzle Masters! High five, everyone!
See you next time for more big adventures. Beep beep. Goodbye.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Are you ready to build some super cool trucks today?
Whoa, check out those colors. Vroom, vroom, look at them line up.
Abracadabra! They are transforming with magic emojis. Can you spot the skeleton?
It is time to match. I think this big wheel goes on the sky, right?
Oh, silly.
3,
Wheels belong on the
2,
road. Let's drag it to the
go!
silhouette down here. Great! job! Click! That piece fits perfectly like a puzzle piece in a snap. Now, can you help me find the cabin for our hardworking green dump truck?
Look at that cat helping us! Point your finger at the screen to help guide the part.
It is all assembled. Our mighty trucks are ready to roll out. Look at that rap dance! You did a fantastic job solving every single puzzle.
Hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time.
Rev your engines! It is time to race into a world of shadows and puzzles with Blaze! Whoa, look at those mysterious shapes. Can you help us match our monster machine friends to their silhouettes?
I bet that giant one is Zay. He is super strong and loves to smash rap.
The timer is ticking. Quick, find the right spot before the clock hits 0. 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh, that is a big no! That shape is way too pointy for our friend Stripes.
Let's get moving! Tap your screen to the beat and help Blaze jump on those rhythm tiles. You are doing amazing! Point your finger right at the screen to guide our buddies home. Ting! It's a perfect match! Look at how they glow with super speed energy.
Wait, is that Mr. Krabs? He's lost, but he's definitely not a monster truck. Keep focused, team.
We are on the final stretch. Let's place the last few pieces to light up the sky. Boom! Wow, look at those fireworks! You solved every single puzzle like a true champion. Great racing today. Puzzle explorers, welcome to our big construction site adventure. Vroom vroom!
Whoa, look at those mysterious shapes. Is that a giant spaceship? I bet it's a rocket.
Not quite silly. Those are our hard-working construction friends waiting to be built. Let's get to work! Can you help me drag the scraper's frame into place? Slide it to the left, just like that. Click! Now for the motor grader's giant blade. It helps smooth out the dirt perfectly. You're doing great! Pop the cabin on top! Beep, beep! Our yellow machines are looking strong and ready for action. They are finished! High five, team! You built these mighty machines in record time!
Boom! Fireworks for our master builders. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more fun, everyone.
Welcome, builders! Today we are visiting the coolest construction site ever to assemble our heavy-duty machine pals.
Whoa! Check out that magic wall. Is it turning the trucks into stars? I bet it's gonna make them fly.
Not quite, silly. It's our matching challenge starting. Can you help our cat friend find the missing shapes? Let's start with the road roller. It smooths out the ground so cars can drive safely. Where does that big heavy wheel go? Click! Snap! Look at that! You matched the chassis perfectly! Vroom! The roller is ready to rumble! Next up is the mighty dump truck. He loves carrying giant piles of dirt. Can you spot the piece that fits the back cargo bed? She finished it! High five, everyone! That dump truck is looking shiny and strong, ready for the next big job.
Oops, that piece doesn't fit. Let's try again. Is it the square one? Yes. No! There it clicks into place. Beep, beep.
Finally, the hard-working grader. It uses that long blade to flatten the bumpy road. Where should we put the cabin? Boom! All 3 vehicles are complete! You are a master builder superstar! Let's celebrate with those fireworks! Welcome, puzzle explorers! Today, we are building some super cool construction machines. Are you ready?
Whoa, a cement mixer! Is it going to make a giant pizza in that big drum?
Ah, not quite! That drum spins to mix concrete for building sturdy houses. Let's click these pieces together. Snap! Now we're in the green fields. Quick, point to the screen and help me find the dump bed for our heavy-duty friend.
I see it! It's the big boxy part that carries all the dirt. Vroom, vroom! Here it goes!
Perfect match! You kids are absolute puzzle masters. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels. Ta-da! Look at them glow! You did a... Hey there, puzzle explorers! Ready to match some awesome desert machines with me?
Whoa, look at those mysterious shadows! Is that a giant spaceship? Vroom!
Not quite, silly. That's our hard-working tractor and a sturdy road roller ready for some desert work. Now, can you help us find the missing pieces for our loader and the powerful backhoe loader? Drop that big shovel right into place. Clunk, click, perfect match.
I'm helping the backhoe loader find its wheels. Beep, beep. Let's roll.
Did it! These vehicles are ready to go, and you are official. Hey, puzzle pals! Our Spidey friends are dancing up a storm to kick off today's big challenge.
Whoa, look at those moves! I bet I can dance just like that. Watch me go!
Oh look, a mysterious shadow appeared on the road. It's a job for our mighty truck.
I think a tractor cab belongs there. Or maybe a giant pizza. No, definitely a tractor cab.
Great guess! Let's use this big crane to lift the cab into place. Heave-ho! Up it goes! Clink! It fits perfectly. The loading bar is moving. We are almost there. Vroom vroom! Our mighty truck is coming together piece by piece. Keep going, Crane. Ta-da! The final piece is locked in. You guys are absolute puzzle masters. Boom! Fireworks for our new truck friend! You did amazing today. Thanks for helping us build something so cool. Welcome back, Puzzle Explorers. Can you count these 2 rolling tires with me? 1, 2.
Whoa, is that a giant lemon? Oh wait, it's a super fast yellow tractor. Vroom vroom.
That's right. It's a hard-working tractor that helps farmers grow our food. It's getting spooky. Look at those skull tires. Do you think they belong to a ghost truck?
Maybe it's a candy truck. I bet it's filled with chocolate bars and gummy bears.
Hell yeah!
Not quite. That's a menacing monster truck with a giant eye. Stay back. It looks really grumpy. Look out! The monster truck is using its plow to lift that orange car. That is one strong machine. Uh-oh. Here comes our yellow loader friend. I hope they can be friends instead of fighting.
Such electric sparks everywhere. The yellow loader is brave, but it's time to drive away fast.
Adventure! You all did amazing today, Puzzle Masters. See you next. Welcome, Puzzle Masters. Today we have 2 heavy-duty friends joining us in the park. Can you guess who they are?
Hello!
Whoa, hold on. Is that a giant spaceship landing? Wait, no. It's just a dusty storm.
Haha, not quite. That's a cement mixer and a dump truck playing in the wind. Stay close. We need to help them. Everything is dark. Can you spot the outlines? Use your magic finger and trace the shapes on your screen.
Wait, is that a giant taco? No, it's an ambulance. Good eye, everyone. It's here to keep our truck safe.
Time to build our cement mixer friend. He needs his big round drum to mix all that concrete. Where does it go? Click! Perfect fit. Now he needs those sturdy wheels to roll down the street. Vroom vroom!
I think the bumper goes on top. Wait, that's wrong, right?
Nice try, silly. The bumper goes right at the front to keep him protected. Let's try again. He's almost ready. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic work! Look at him spin. Our cement mixer is happy and ready for work. Give him a big high five on the screen. Now for the mighty dump truck. He needs his fuel tank to keep his engine roaring. Can you find it? Ting! That fuel tank is locked in. Now let's attach that huge red bag so he can carry all his heavy loads. Don't forget the tires! A truck can't go anywhere without its big, bouncy wheels. Let's snap them on! We're moving fast now. 3, 2, 1, and click! Our dump truck is looking stronger than ever. Boom! Fireworks for our amazing builders. Did it! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more puzzle fun. See you next time. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready for a big construction adventure today?
Vroom vroom! Look at our mighty friends. The digger, the road roller, and the dump truck.
Whoa, they turned into shadows. Can you guess which one is hiding in the dark? Time to build. Let's snap these puzzle pieces into place. Click, click, click.
Wow, they look amazing now that they're complete. Great job matching those parts, team.
Oops, that piece doesn't fit there. Try the other side. You've got this. Keep going.
Pop confetti time. You finished the puzzle perfectly. You guys are total construction superstars.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Look at our mighty truck friends zooming along the sunny beach today.
Whoa, splash! Our truck just found some fishy friends in the waves. Are they hungry too?
Oh no, hold your breath. He's taking a giant leap into the blue. Pow! Watch those parts fly!
What?
Bruh.
Everything is calm again. Look at that massive cruise ship sailing by while our truck rests on the sand.
Wow, look at all those thank you messages popping up. Everyone loves our helpful mighty truck.
Whoa, look at him.
Our crab buddy says goodbye. You did amazing today, Puzzle Masters. See you on our next big adventure. Welcome, explorers. Are you ready for a high-speed mystery adventure today?
Whoa, look at that. A brave police car buddy just parked on the grass. Vroom vroom.
Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3 police cars have joined the party.
4 brave heroes ready for action. Wait, what's that magical sparkle? Poof.
Everything turned into silhouettes. Can you spot the right shape for our puzzle? Grab your virtual crayons. Which color should we pick to make our police car shine?
I'm going to paint it bright. Watch the colors fill in. Splash, splash, splash. Yeah!
Fantastic focus. Keep going. You're doing a brilliant job matching those colors.
Okay.
Red alert! It's a bold red cruiser now. Look at that happy heart pop up.
Now it's pink. That's a stylish look for a police car. A gold star for your effort.
Wow!
Blue is my favorite. And look, a yummy sticker. You really know your colors. five to everyone playing at home. You guys are puzzle masters.
Boom! Fireworks everywhere! Our police squad is celebrating your amazing work. Great job, team!
Welcome, explorers! Grab your detective hats. We are heading into the desert for a super cool puzzle mission.
Wow, look at those mysterious shapes! Is that the giant spaceship? Host A?
Not quite silly. Those are the silhouettes of our brave vehicle friends waiting to be built. Let's help them. Point your fingers at the screen. Can you find the wheels for our hardworking digger? Click them into place.
Vroom vroom! I think the big blue body part goes right here. Wait, maybe it goes upside down?
Oops, careful. That piece needs to turn around to fit the heroic fire truck perfectly. Try again. That siren looks amazing on top of our brave police car. You guys are doing fantastic. Almost there. Let's count the vehicles together. 1, 2, 3. Ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! Look at them go. You solved the puzzle and saved the day, little heroes. High five, everyone. Welcome to the ultimate puzzle adventure, explorers. Let's zoom along the beach with our brave police car friend.
Whoa, look out! Is that a monster police car? It's super grumpy. Zoom, zoom.
Oh no, those sparks mean trouble. Can you help our brave police car stay safe? Tap the screen to help him. Zap! They merged together. Did they just become one super vehicle? That is one cool trick.
Magic is in the air. Look, the Grim Reaper is using his powers to take the monster car apart. Abracadabra.
It's building time. Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1. Let's find the missing parts.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hot dog! Mickey Mouse is here to help us finish this puzzle. Great job spotting that piece, everyone.
Boom! Fireworks everywhere. SpongeBob and Squidward are joining the party. You did it, Puzzle Masters. See you next time.
Hey there, puzzle fans! Ready to help our hardworking construction friends get back to work?
Whoa! Did you see that? Boom! Everything got all jumbled up.
Oh no! Our vehicle friends are missing their parts. Can you help us find them? Look, that silhouette belongs to our hardworking digger. Which piece fits the scoop?
Maybe it's a giant slice of. No, wait, that's not right, is it?
Silly co-host. It needs the heavy metal bucket to scoop up dirt. Click it into place. Ting! Perfect fit! Now let's help the mighty truck get his wheels back. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4 big wheels. Beep, beep.
I think the flatbed truck is missing his tractor friend. Where could he be hiding?
Point your finger at the screen to help me drag the tractor onto the flatbed. Vroom! He's back on track and ready to roll. You guys are puzzle masters. One more piece for the dump truck's bed. Can you find the square one? Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to build something amazing? Vroom vroom, let's go!
Whoa! Did that orange bulldozer just scoop up our yellow friend? He's trying to eat the truck!
Don't worry, silly. That's just the bulldozer helping our cement mixer friend get to the workshop. Look at our red robot friend go! He needs 4 wheels to make the truck zoom. Can you count them with me?
Is he putting the windows on the wheels? I think he's doing it wrong. Haha!
Not quite, silly. Windows go on the top so the driver can see. Click! That's the way. Now for the big spinning drum. Spin, spin, spin! It's coming together perfectly. Boom! Fireworks everywhere! We did it, builders! Our yellow mixer is ready for the road!
Great job, everyone! Give yourselves a huge high five! You're all
Hey there, puzzle explorers! Ready to meet our big, dusty desert friends today?
Vroom vroom! Look at that shiny tow truck and our super strong cement mixer.
Oh no! They've turned into puzzle pieces! Can you help us put them back together? Let's start with our kind rescue truck. Does this wheel fit right here?
Maybe it goes on the roof? Wait, no, that looks silly. Click it onto the axle instead.
He's all fixed up and ready to tow. Great job, team! Now for the cement mixer. See that big spinning drum? Let's slide it into place.
Off goes the piece. Our mixer is looking brand new and ready to build.
Boom! Look at those fireworks. They are so happy to be back on the road.
You guys are puzzle masters. Thanks for playing, and see you on our next big adventure.